Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to see the ranking on Bigo Live. Okay, so right now I'm at my profile. At the bottom you can see 5 icons: home, explore. The one in the middle is for you yourself to go live. Community is for the community of Bigo Live, and the one at the bottom right corner, me, is for you to go to your profile, and that's where you click to get where I am right now. And as you can see, we have a lot of options here. We have messages, wallet, item bag, my post, task center, activities, level, fans groups, and ranking. So right under fan groups, there's ranking. So we're gonna click on that, and this shows you the ranking from right now, this hour, the last 24 hours, and the last 7 days. These are the most creators who have got the most gifts and have the most watched lives. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.